Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to get Fortnite on Android 2025. Let's begin. So we can simply begin with going to our Play Store. As you can see here, we have many different games, for example Limbo, Minecraft or OOOO, but of course we are interested in Fortnite. So let's go to search and let's simply search for Fortnite. So let's start begin typing. But unfortunately we do not have Wi-Fi. So let's simply enable our Wi-Fi. Let's go. I will now simply input my password. And as you can see, our Wi-Fi is now connected. So now we can go back to our Google Play Store. Let's go with Fortnite app. But unfortunately, as you can see, there is no official support for Fortnite. This is because Fortnite is banned and it's a pretty demanding game, so also it is not available on most devices. If it's available on your device, then you probably want to simply see it here. There is also an alternative to that. You could always try to sideload. I'm not sure if I remember the name correctly, but basically what you want to do is go to web and go for like Fortnite, but instead of Fortnite, let's go with APK, and you can try to download Fortnite from other sources, though we do not really recommend it because these sites are very easy and very pretty well-known targets for some malware and viruses and all of that stuff. So if you are using such sites like Aptoide or Up2Down or all of that, in order to download your Fortnite application, be aware. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.